Videos are like songs. No matter how great of a vocalist you find, you'll never make a hit if the song itself isn't great. Welcome to Strong Scripts, a course where you will learn to structure videos that work. My name is Ruud and I'll be leading you through the course. I began my career as a founder of an animation video studio where we produced more than 200 videos, at first for smaller startups and later on for some of the biggest corporations in the world. Those 3 years gave me hands-on experience with animation, voiceover recording and script writing. And now, as an online teacher, these are the skills I want to share with you. I designed this script writing course for anyone seeking to make better videos that keep the viewer engaged for longer and leaves them with a crystal clear understanding of your message. By the end of this course, you'll be able to write a video script that follows a crystal clear structure and contains your very best content. I'll be teaching a script-first method that will become your step 1 for any video you'll create in the future. The material I've developed for this course is very practical, with dozens of real-life video examples and script templates for how to succeed with your own video. Besides teaching you how to work with the form and content of a script, I'll be walking you through some step-by-step examples where we write scripts together. And I'll finish off with some thoughts on the stakeholders involved in the script writing process. The ideal student for this course is an existing video creator within e-learning or marketing who wants a solid process for how to succeed with video, or any video creator who wants to expand on their current skill set. The course format is fully animated, which turned out to be quite a lot of work, but I'm very excited about the final result. I think it's more dynamic, more entertaining than what I'm used to seeing. There are no requirements to enroll. I only ask you to come open-minded and ready to learn. Feel free to take a look at the course description, and I look forward to seeing you inside.